Hi there, this is our Colchester Student 1800, 3-phase. It's come out of a Polytech. It's in a really good condition and ticks over nicely. Doesn't come with a forge or a fixed steady. Looks as though the students or someone's gone and made these new chuck covers at some stage. It's got a late model emergency stop here and obviously the emergency foot brake. So you'll see from the photos the back's nice and tidy. That light doesn't have a bulb in it, but I assume that works. Tidy in the back here, and you'll see the front there, it all looks good, and same with the end. Tailstock lock is good and goes in and out nice, and the Morse taper feels good inside there, and that lock works good. The carriage and the bed are in good condition, it moves nicely. Cross slide feels good with no movement in that one, and the compound slide's nice to move as well with a fraction of movement but not much. Yeah, the bed feels good. Obviously you've got sort of rust stains from all the years, but wear wise it feels good. I can't feel any ledge there. Well, that's the coolant pump switched on. You probably can't hear that, and I don't have any fluid in it, but assume that that's working all fine. I'll start it up and just run you through the gear change, etc. So I've got the lead screw and feed shaft working there, and just take you through those different speeds and etc. there, and that's going through nicely. So is that, and that feels good too. And that's the direction. So I'll engage that lead screw, so that's heading that way, and I'll send the direction of the lead screw back so the carriage is heading towards me now. So that's engaging and disengaging nicely. We'll look at the feeds. So I've just engaged the carriage heading that way, and that's going in and out nicely, and I've just engaged the cross slide going across. So that's working well also. So those are the feeds there. So I'll take you through the speed range. I'll hit that emergency brake's working good, and I'll start you in the lowest gear, which will be 22. Next one's 30. 40. 53. So that's that first range. I'll change ranges now, put you in the next speed of 70. 94. 127. 170. Change ranges. 230. 305. 410. 555. 745. 1000. 1340. One more. in 1800. So there's the gear range there, and that is pretty much all of it.